And that is 2 chickens deboned in yogurt and lemon and a little bit of mango sauce. Yeah, I know, Kevin. It won't be long. Okay, just put one of those chickens in, skin side down. I'm about to put the second one in with a meat thermometer. It's very hot at the moment. I want to do it slowly. I've got plenty of time. Okay, that's where we're at. It's been an hour at a really low temperature and they're looking like this. So getting that golden smoky edge probably just needs a smidgen more heat and fire. I've just thrown some extra coal on. We'll see how she whips up. See, that didn't take long. It's just enough to kick it back up. Now we've got some smoke coming out the bottom, but we've also got it spewing out the top. Very nice. Well, here we are at an hour and a half, and you can almost hear it crackling away in there. And yes, that fire is really on the right side, not directly under the smoke. A little bit of timber down there to give it some flavour. It's got a light smoke coming off it. Although it just looks like a caught. Anyway, temperature there. You can hear the fat dripping off everything. And they're looking good. Can't wait. Can you? So we're so close now, I got carried away and I decided to flip one of them over by using one of the spare grills. Oh. So I'll flip this one as soon as it reaches temperature. Baby, you're all that I want. Ready? Can't wait. Oh, look at that. It's really kicking off on the right. It's flowing beautifully out the top. Looks like full moon, but it's not. Well, oh dear. I rushed away without and just ate it because it was so yummy. And look, the yogurt lemon marinade just came up a treat. Oh, I'm sorry I'm showing you leftovers, but it was so delicious. And 6 people have just hooked into those 2 chickens. Oh, sorry to show you scraps. It was just yummy.